Welcome to this tutorial, where I'll show you how to create your first short-form video with blogshorts.com. First, make sure you have an account on blogshorts.com. Let's create a video about artificial intelligence. Start by pasting your blog or article link into the script generator box. You can select how long you want your short to be, from 30 seconds to 3 minutes, then click Generate Script. Once the script is ready, we can choose the image style. You can pick anything from Cyberpunk to Studio Ghibli. Cyberpunk is my favorite. Next, choose your background music and the voice you want to use. When everything is set, click Generate. After a few seconds, your video will be fully generated and ready to post. You can also track the progress as it's being created. Now let's check some other features. By clicking the Regenerate button on text, you can regenerate the audio for that sequence if you want changes. Similarly, you can regenerate images for any sequence to match your liking. On the left side, you'll find captions, where you can choose from our collection of pre-made caption styles. Change how many words appear per caption. Update the position of captions. Right below that, in the audio section, you can update the background music anytime. Inside the Layers section, you can add branding to your video by uploading your brand image. Once you're happy with the video, click Export to download it, and choose your preferred output quality. Finally, head back to the Videos section to see all your recent creations, and in the Export section, you'll find all your saved exported videos. Happy generating!